Hello, and welcome to this beginner's guided meditation for inner peace. My name is Laura, and I'm very happy you're here today. If you're brand new to meditation, that's fantastic because the world needs more people taking control of their mental and spiritual health. Meditation is certainly a fabulous modality to help with that. And if you are a first timer to this channel, it would mean so much to me if you could tap the thumbs up button and the subscribe icon located under this video. Tapping the bell will send you a gentle notification to your email box when I upload my latest video for you to enjoy Tuesdays and Saturdays. If you would like to light a candle or use an essential oil at this time for your experience, that would be perfectly lovely. Let's begin by finding a comfortable lying or seated position in a safe and quiet place where you won't be interrupted for the next few minutes. Silence all electronic devices and slowly and gently close your eyes if you like, or you can watch the screen and just listen to my voice and the music. Let's focus on giving special attention to our breathing. Being mindful of the breath helps to cleanse our minds of any distracting thoughts that may be popping up. And when they do creep back in, that is 100% okay. I personally find it helpful to acknowledge the thought by telling it that I will appreciate its company at a later time and visualize my hand making a sweeping motion over my mind, clearing it of any debris. Remember, whatever you feel or visualize or anything else you may experience during your meditative time is unique to you. Please don't feel discouraged if you think you're doing it wrong or something like that. This is your special time to be calm and peaceful in your own way. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale through your mouth. One more cleansing breath in and control the breath out slowly on the exhale. Relax your temple and jaw. Let your shoulders and abdomen be loose. Feel yourself sink a little deeper into that which is physically supporting you, be it a chair or your bed or the floor maybe. Visualize holding a powerful magic wand that when pointed at your feet releases a bright white cord or rope which extends down into the earth, deeper and deeper anchoring you like roots. You feel secured by these ropes. You know they are unbreakable. Once you can no longer see how far down into the earth they go, slowly start scanning all the way back up, checking in on all areas of your body. See your toes, ankles, and feet properly circulating life-giving oxygen to keep you grounded. Slowly travel up the legs and the knees, and you can feel warm buzzing energy circling the kneecaps. Then up into the thighs and hips, allowing yourself to sink deeper into your chair or bed. Now let's scan the entire abdomen, clearing any blockages and making a clean space for peaceful, calming energy to flow through as it pleases. Take another deep cleansing breath of source energy into your lungs and slowly set it free. Travel up the chest, paying special attention to your beautiful and forgiving heart. See how the rich colors expand to the sides of your chest cavity, completely flooding it with love and light and joy. You notice how relaxed your shoulders and back have become, and how light your throat and tongue are. Now scan your lips, mouth, your cheeks, nose, eyebrows, and ears. Reaching your forehead, you appreciate how relaxed it is. Now try to focus on the backs of your eyelids. See how your inner light projects onto them like a love story on the big screen at a movie theater. Sit with this feeling for a moment, and when you are ready, take another deep, invigorating breath into your lungs. Hold it for 4 seconds, and let it all go out through your mouth. Slowly open your eyes and see how you're feeling. Look around the room and take notice of how everything waited for you to return. As you go about the rest of your day, remember that you can always return to the breath anytime you need to. Friends, that concludes this particular meditation. But if you haven't already and feel called to, of course, click the subscribe button, and by also clicking on the little bell next to it, you'll know when I upload a new video I'm working on for you, which I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays. If you have a request for a specific kind of guided meditation, please leave it in the comment section below the screen and I'll see it as soon as possible. If you found this to be of any value to you, I would be so blessed to know about that as well. Let's connect! As always, I thank you for sharing your time with me here today. Namaste.